Agree. I agree. It's just so loud.
Like, just what's wrong with those people? I can't understand because I'm not gonna bake anymore if that sound keeps going on. I'm not gonna be. I should bake a lion cake for Maria. I won't do that if that sound keeps going on.
I don't blame you.
I can't do that. Like, I need to bake a small cake for Anna and Elsa and a big cake for Maria. Like, what's wrong with those people? I can't bake cakes anymore.
Why not?
Because that sound keeps going on. I told you.
I know. I agree.
I'm not gonna bake cakes anymore.
That darn sound
Yeah.
ruins everything.
It just ruins my whole head baking cakes. Like, what's wrong with that sound?
It's very loud. It's very ear-piercing, isn't it?
Like, those sounds make me. I can't bake cakes anymore because this whole sound is in my head.
I'm sorry. You know, actually it was Mommy's fault, though, because I made you a grilled cheese, and it's the smoke alarm that goes off.
It keeps going on and off because those sounds keep going on and off, on and off. Like, what's wrong with those people making sounds?
I don't know.
I can't understand my whole head.